It is over for Bitcoin. It's over for altcoins. What am I talking about? I'm going to break it down for you. As always, thank you for your time. Truly. My name's Austin. I cover crypto every single day. Two things: hit that like button, please. Smash that like button below, and please hit that subscribe button if you're interested in what I'm saying for you, because what I care about is you, and I want to help you know more and what's going on in the market, and also help you make more profit. Got a lot of cool stuff coming for you. So let's take a look at what I've got. So is this a doom and gloom video? Oh my God, Bitcoin, something happened I wasn't aware of, all the altcoins crashing? No, not at all. Okay, so this is actually a really positive video, and I want to share with you exactly what I've got for you. Now, as of the recording of this video, let me refresh the screen, kind of see where we're at. Yeah, crypto has been rising a little bit. It's been continuing to rise almost in the last couple of hours as well. We've seen Bitcoin now cross over that 48,000. So again, I'm going to get to the it's over component here in just a minute. Okay, so we've seen it cross over 48,000 very handily. Actually, in the last 24 hours, it's hit 48,500. Ethereum at 2,500 in the last 24 hours. Its high has been $2,537, give or take. We also see and have seen, all the major altcoins continue to rise, like Solana going up in the 7-day up 12%, BNB up almost 6, XRP up 3.5. It's on the 7-day. Cardano up 8, Avalanche 12, Chainlink 11, so forth and so on. You can just look here and see across the board, right? Bitcoin Cash 16%. Wow, I hadn't looked at that in a while. Interesting. Uniswap, Cosmos, Immutable X 26%, Optimism 19%. So what is it that I'm talking about in the context of it's over? Well, I'm talking about the fact that I want to share with you here in just a minute that the altcoin season is now starting. Well, you said something's over, right? Okay, so this is what I'm going to share with you. Altcoin season, I think we're going to continue to see altcoins rise along with Bitcoin rolling into April 15th. And this is what I wanted to share with you. So this is from Rect Capital. I'm a massive fan of Rect over on X. And so right here, this is what I want to share with you. The signs were there for the Q4. Now that's you talking about the Q4 fourth quarter of 2023 altcoin hype cycle coming to an end. And so what this chart shows is that in Q4, the fourth quarter of 2023, October, November, December, right? We saw crypto rolling at the end of it, rolling into January, we saw crypto go down. Okay. So this was the Q4 altcoin hype cycle coming to an end, right? Okay. So let's see. Yeah, right there. Okay. So again, Q4 rolling into January. And so we've continued to see crypto altcoins continue to kind of go back, right? From the beginning of January, kind of roll down here. Now we're starting to see them turn. We are here. Now you're looking at Q1, the first quarter of 2024. Okay. So you're looking at see like right here, January to April. Okay. You can see in the red box, we are here. We're in the bottom of the trough, if you will, of the cycle. Okay. So this is where the component of the video, Bitcoin, it's coming to an end. Altcoins, it's coming to an end. We're in the bottom, and now what's coming to an end is being at the bottom, being at the low. We're starting to continue to rise up. Now, obviously, in April, you see right here where we at. We know that April 15th, approximately between April 15th and 18th, approximately there, we're going to see the Bitcoin halving event. All of the previous Bitcoin halving events have seen Bitcoin rise dramatically, and altcoins along with them. Because I'm going to remind you of something. Let me refresh this. I actually have to see this right here. Bitcoin dominance, 52%. What does that mean? That means that Bitcoin makes up 52% of that number of 1,810,000,000,000. 52% of that. 900 billion and change. In fact, 946 billion right there. You see that number where my mouse is the number of what? Let me scroll up so you can see that right there. 946 billion. That's the market capitalization of Bitcoin alone. Okay, so what's coming to an end? Being in that trough, the down cycle of lower prices. So we're going to start to see cryptos move up. And like I said, we're already seeing it in the last 7 days. We've seen Ethereum up 9%, so forth, Solana up 12, so forth and so on. Okay. Now I want to go back to this chart and I want to show you something. So if we see April here, and then you're like, oh my God, Austin, it crashes at the end of April, rolling into June, into May. No, what you're not seeing a crash there. You're seeing higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? That's what you're seeing. Okay. So it's not going to be like, oh my God, a crash. And then July, we're good. No, higher highs, higher lows. The market will always, what I call ebb and flow. It will ebb and flow. It will go up and it'll go down. But the key is that it's doing it in an upward trend, an upward cycle. Okay. All right. So, and to kind of show you that in another way, visually, right? We've got, Solana in the last 14 days up 15%. By the way, that's my software that gave a buy alert before that happened. So if you're interested, links in the description below if you want to pick up my trading indicator. 30-day refund policy. You can get your money back within 30 days if you so choose. And also, there's a discount code down there as well. Okay. Avalanche, 14 days ago, buy alert issued 25%. Bitcoin, we already talked about 12 days ago, buy alert issued 15% up. Chainlink, as an example, 10 days ago, buy alert issued 34% up. I could go on and on and on. What I'm showing you here is a broad market move. What I'm showing you here is that remember how the capital flows. It comes into Bitcoin first, bleeds over into Ethereum, okay? Because between Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're looking at about 70% of the entire crypto market capitalization. Remember that $1.8 trillion number is Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Okay. Then what we want is we want to see that rally, that the capital, the inflow of money flow into the other altcoins like Cardano, Solana, Chainlink, Polkadot, so forth and so on. And that is what we are seeing. Remember, we're at the bottom of that trough. Remember that graph. And now we're going to start to see things rise and up to April. Then we're going to see a little bit of a pullback rolling into May. Then we're going to go up and so forth and so on. This is how it works, guys. This is how crypto flows. Okay. So hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for your time. I truly appreciate your support. And let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll see you. Bye.